In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively compare features on Intuit's QuickBooks pricing page and match a plan that best fits your business size and needs. Navigating the world of accounting software can be daunting, but with a few clear steps, you can confidently decide which plan offers the functionality and value that aligns with your business requirements. First, start by visiting the Intuit QuickBooks website. Once you're there, locate the pricing page. This is typically found under a menu option labeled Pricing or directly from their home page. Intuit offers several plans tailored to different business scales and needs, so getting to know this section is essential. Take note of the various plans available. Each usually comes with a detailed list of features and prices. A critical point to keep in mind is that while all plans offer core bookkeeping functionalities like income tracking and expense management, the more advanced or higher tier options come with added capabilities that might be crucial for your business. As you review these options, consider the size of your business. Are you a solopreneur or do you manage a large team? For smaller businesses or freelancers, the basic plan might suffice, providing essentials without the overhead of complex features. However, if your operations involve handling payroll, managing inventory, or integrating with other business tools, a more advanced plan might be necessary. Carefully weigh your current business processes and growth projections against the features listed under each plan. Look for details in areas such as the number of users allowed, as sharing access among multiple team members can be vital in larger businesses. It's also important to consider your business's scalability needs. As your business grows, your software needs might evolve as well. Choosing a plan that allows easy upgrades can save time and minimize disruption in your accounting practices. QuickBooks typically highlights which features are unique to each plan, so pay close attention to these distinctions. Features like dedicated account manager services, premium customer support, and extensive reporting tools are generally found in the more comprehensive plans and can be invaluable for rapidly expanding enterprises. Don't forget to take advantage of any free trials offered. These can provide hands-on experience and help you make an informed decision without commitment. During a trial, explore how well the software adapts to your daily operations and if the user interface aligns with your team's workflow. Finally,